Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide recycling bin on Windows 10, so your desktop looks cleaner and more organized. Step 1. First, right-click on a blank area of your desktop. This opens a menu that lets you access various personalization options and settings for your computer. Step 2. Next, select Personalize from the context menu. This option allows you to change your desktop background, colors, themes, and other appearance settings. Step 3. Then click on the Themes option in the left sidebar. Themes help you manage the overall look of Windows, including desktop icons and sounds. Step 4. Scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. This section lets you choose which standard icons, like Recycle Bin, appear on your desktop. Step 5. Now, uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin to hide it from your desktop. This is useful if you want a cleaner look or rarely use the Recycle Bin. Finally, click Apply, then click OK to confirm your changes. Your Recycle Bin will now be hidden, and you can always bring it back by checking the box again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.